London. Greatest city in
Yeah, I
the
guess you
world.
gotta go ahead with that because it got leaked.
Well, used to be. Now it's a right mess. The government's fucked off. Extremists are grabbing power. Organised crime slicing up the boroughs.
Too real.
The war dogs are out. And freedom's a bloody joke. But this ain't their London. This is our London. And there's a new power growing. It's all of us, together. We're building a resistance, one recruit at a time.
Alpha
What's my
gameplay
favourite
footage.
operative up to this evening? And no, I never say that to the others.
Scouting talent, Bagley. So gob shut, eyes peeled, yeah?
I have no eyes, and if I did, I wouldn't peel them.
Heightened security measures are in effect throughout London city limits.
Bloody drones are everywhere, kicking our fucking teeth in lately.
Then I recommend you recruit someone who can
This
deal
looks
with
so
drones.
fun and like
Brilliant.
as a
Never
city to
would
be
thought
in.
of
You don't see a lot of open world game in London. Or in Assassin's Creed wasn't.
Easy. I'm complying.
Impressive skill set.
that. Sure, but we need
But
a
it was
drone
another time
expert,
period.
Raj, not a shit kicker. File that one away for later.
Posting photos on social media.
Albion presence in London. It's a total disgrace. Mercenaries patrolling the street.
Get the fuck over here! Me? I ain't done nothing. Come on, you shifty prick, hurry up.
Well now,
Jimmy Shaw. No formal engineering training, but he has several mischief charges for hijacking Albion drones.
Hold still. Fuck you, man. You got no right.
fucking hell. We find our drone expert and he's about to get himself
Huh.
nicked. I'm dead set. Get out of here.
That's out.
Best not to escalate if you don't. Oh, just ignore me.
Oh wow.
Not today.
What's that? Camouflage?
Several chase drones are converging on your position.
No shit. What were you planning to tell me about the bloody checkpoint?
Oh, there's a checkpoint.
I like the AI.
Fuck! We lost Ian. He's gone.
Oh, he's dead. Permadeath. So you switch to another member of the...
Lovely evening, isn't it?
I used to feed the birds here.
That's
Now they're all bloody machines.
Get used to it. In the long march of progress, everything dies eventually.
Wow.
Eventually, even you, Bagley, I'm sure.
Now, there's my Helen. Speaking of death, you'll never guess what just happened to Ian.
Oh, for God's sake, Bagley, a little respect.
Let's finish what he started. He was working on a new recruit, a drone expert.
That's promising. What do we know about him?
Albion scanned Jimmy just before Ian was killed. I should be able to predict his next move from that data. Unfortunately, his records are locked up tighter than your compression stockings.
Are they now?
But this case should be handled by the Met.
Albion's even taken over Scotland Yard. Complicates matters.
An old lady hacker. This is...
Hello, darling. Time to go. They'll be on to me.
Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god.
Sleep tight.
No, gotta play as the old lady, always.
The files you stole indicate that Jimmy's gone to Camden Market.
Let's get someone over there, Bagley. Chop, chop.
Ready for some action, Naomi?
Always. But this recruit better be worth all the trouble.
According to the Scotland Yard records, Jimmy's sister was killed by Clan Kelly. We believe he's seeking his revenge inside Camden Market.
Camden Black Market, you mean?
Yes, the Kellys are rumoured to run all sorts of illicit goods out of the old stables. Some with fingers and toes.
Oh my god.
If he's gone in there alone, he's in big trouble.
The Kellys have this place on full lockdown. I have an idea.
Today, everything's all fine and dandy. It's hard. We need to get this shit back.
Man, this looks fun.
Now, Naomi, we've already lost one operative, so try not to get killed, or we'll be in the red for the day.
Copy that.
What the hell? Is this a meme?
Is this a meme?
Joke, well, I'm snapping.
Ah, cannabis and fentanyl, together at last through the miracle of genetics.
I'm gonna use 10 more minutes.
The Kellys are moving loads of weapons out of here. And not your typical back alley shanks. Stables. It's human trafficking.
Oh wow.
Found Jimmy.
Cheeky shit.
And here we thought he might be in some sort of trouble.
Looks fine to me.
So, how are you going to get him out of there?
Lots of hugs and kisses.
Don't fucking move! I'll kill him! We'll kill him! Help!
Why don't people do that more often? Yes.
On your feet, mate.
Well, wait a minute. Are you dead sick?
Hope you're sharper than you look.
Jesus Christ! Someone beat these dead sick pricks!
Dead sick.
Back up! I need back up! Whoa!
This is in depth.
Does the rolling help?
Does the rolling help? Yes! Oh, the AI is everything.
Shit! Fucking hell! Run! Well, we showed those fucks, didn't we?
We almost died out there tonight.
Look, thanks for helping me, but I can handle myself.
Right. You think you're better off alone. You think everyone else has given up and there's no one to trust. That's what they want you to think. And that's how they'll take us, one at a time. It doesn't have to be that way. Together, we can change things.
Wait, what happened to that bloke who helped me?
He didn't make it.
Yeah. I wonder if you could have done it differently and have him survive though.
Fuck it.
Welcome to DedSec, James.
Yeah.
New playable
Okay,
operative.
so where do I go to meet the rest of the crew?
You don't need to go anywhere. Look around you. Everyone has a reason to fight, and DedSec is open to anyone.
Anyone?
Welcome to the Resistance.
So you can really be anyone. Watch Dogs Legion. Everything was leaked. Still dope though.
Thank you. Thank you. Guess I'm going to make you all wait so long. I should really knock it out of the park, huh? I'm Clint Hawking. I'm the creative director of Watch Dogs Legion. And for the past few years, the team and I have had the privilege to work on a game and an innovation that we are very proud of. Watch Dogs Legion is set in London, one of the greatest cities in the world, and it's had a massive influence on all of our culture for centuries. Today, with Brexit, London's at a turning point.
Oh my god, this is too
It's hard
real.
to predict what the future holds for London, for the UK, or for the world. But history has proven time and again that where London goes, all of us go together. In our near future, London is facing her downfall. The UK has become a surveillance state, and freedom has been replaced with fear. Armed drones patrol the streets, deportation squads rip people from their homes, and Grandad is using crypto to buy a new kidney on the black market. But Londoners never surrender. Their resilience and determination is an inspiration to us all, and they are the heroes of our game.
They had a message.
All of them. In Watch Dogs Legion, your mission is to build a popular resistance to fight back against the emergence of an authoritarian regime. This means you don't just play as one hero, but many. And in Watch Dogs Legion, you can recruit and play as anyone.
That's crazy. It's still hard to like wrap my head around that. Like anyone? If there's a kid in the street, can I play as the kid?
Every Londoner is fully simulated with a persistent life and relationships, and anyone from the entire population can be recruited into your team. Find them, profile them, hack into their lives, play their origin mission, and win them over to your cause. The heroes you recruit are all unique characters with different backstories and personalities, fully voiced and animated, and they are the stars of your story.
How many people is that?
Every cinematic in the game will change, depending on whether you're playing a former MI5 action hero, a 70-year-old granny you saw feeding pigeons in the park, or anyone in between. However you want to play, whoever you want to be, Watch Dogs Legion lets you be that. You want to make a team of classic British spies? No problem. You want to be a crew of street-savvy kids from the council block? Do it. You want to go hipster?
Ooh, that sounds
body
dope.
mod, Afro-punk, gangsta? Awesome. The women of Bletchley Park? These ladies fucking invented hacking! Play as Anyone is the innovation that transforms a story about freeing London and the world from the grip of tyranny into a game about the heroes that live in each of us. Because being a hero isn't just a job for someone else anymore. It's a job for everyone.
They have
On
a
behalf of the Watch
message.
Dogs
Oh my
Legion's
god.
team here and around the world, I hope to see you on the booth. Thank you for your time, and welcome to the Resistance.
This looks dope. I want in. I wonder how many NPCs there are in the game.
Had a good run there for a while. Now it's all riots.
Had a good run there.
And people thrown in cages like animals. Oh, and who could forget the killer robots everywhere?
Ah, the drones, yeah.
So yeah, it's all gone a bit shit. It's up to us to take our city back. Thing is, we can't do it alone. We need to recruit a resistance. I know what you're thinking. Where do we start? Open your eyes and
We're
take
seeing a lot of the
out.
same faces.
Look here. Look at him. No, not him. Him. Former MI5.
Duty never ends.
He can get anywhere and
Huh.
erase anyone. See her?
Let's kick those bastards out of London.
Does everyone has a different face, different voice,
Teaching him to
different background? Like how deep does this go?
And that fella over there? Proper bellend. Come on, come at me. He'll crack your skull just for looking at him funny.
This had better be fucking good.
Ha ha ha.
And allow me to introduce
Retired
you
assassin.
to the deadliest of the lot. She's not old, she's experienced. Like I said, you can recruit anyone, and I mean bloody anyone. Him, her, everyone is a secret weapon. Find them, recruit them, build the resistance. Let's unfuck this world.
I'm interested, I'm intrigued. Watch Dogs Legion, let's go. March 6, 2020. Okay.